In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy gold on CMC Markets. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go in the top left here where you can see your kind of the watch list, and then you want to click on where you can see this plus button, and you want to go over products and click on commodities. In here, you'll be able to search up top and just type in gold, and you should be able to find a bunch of different ones. So, of course, select the one you want. For example, I'm going to go with this one over here, gold cash under precious metals, and I'm going to right click on it. So just right click on the one you want and click on order ticket. When you do this, it's going to pop up an order ticket like this, so kind of an order box, and then you want to go to the buy button over here, select the amount of units you want, and then here you'll be able to see the amount in euros or of course your currency. You can then select your type of order, either market, limit, or stop entry, and then you could also add a stop loss or a take profit if you want to down here, see all the details regarding your order, and then when you're happy you can just go ahead and click on place a market by order or whatever by order down here, and you'll successfully place the order. So that's how we can do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.